Do you want to stream the world of GTA 5 directly to your smartphone screen? I will show you the exact method to get this running quite easily. Start by launching the Play Store on your phone and finding the Chikii Cloud Game app. This tool lets you access and control PC titles remotely on your Android. Press install and wait for the software to load onto your system. When it is finished, you are merely a few moments from playing titles. Launch the tool and find the Me icon in the lower right section of the display. Click on that and you will be asked to sign in. Just proceed using your Google profile to begin the session. Now, this is where the real fun starts. Utilize the search box inside the tool to look for GTA 5. You will see the title show up. Click it and then press the play option. At this stage, you must select your specific server zone. Choose the one nearest to you for the smoothest connection. The system may put you in a line, but stay calm. Just wait briefly for your slot. It is worth the time. When your slot opens, hit enter, and wow, you are connected. You can now roam Los Santos, finish objectives, or just enjoy causing havoc in the GTA 5 map, all through your phone screen. This is a massive shift, honestly. Play the feature-rich journey of GTA 5 on your handheld and view gaming in a new way. Tell me down in the replies if this helped you out, or if you need any answers.